Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with a product that's creating quite a buzz: Scott's Pursue Dichondra with natural seed. If you're looking to transform your lawn into a vibrant, low-maintenance paradise, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Stay tuned as we uncover everything you need to know about these Dichondra seeds. Let's start with the basics. Dichondra is a fantastic alternative to traditional grass. It grows low to the ground, which means less mowing and a more hassle-free lawn care routine. Perfect for those who want to spend less time cutting grass and more time enjoying their outdoor space. Scott's Pursue takes it a step further by offering natural seeds that ensure a lush and green ground cover. Whether you're seeding a new lawn or rejuvenating an existing one, this product promises to deliver excellent results. Now, let's talk specifics. Each pack contains 1.5 pounds of Scott's Pursue Dichondra seeds, enough to cover decorative areas with ease. It's designed for use in late spring or early summer, optimizing growth conditions for your new lawn. Available in various pack sizes, including the convenient pack of 2 we have here, Scott's Pursue Dichondra caters to different lawn sizes and needs. It's all about flexibility and efficiency when it comes to lawn care. Wondering how to get started? Using Scott's Pursue Dichondra is straightforward. Prepare your soil, spread the seeds evenly, and lightly water. That's it. Over time, you'll see a beautiful Dichondra lawn emerge, adding aesthetic value to your outdoor space. Remember, minimal maintenance is key with this ground cover. Unlike traditional grass, Dichondra requires less frequent mowing and stays green with minimal effort. Why choose Scott's Pursue over other options? For starters, it's backed by Scott's, a trusted name in lawn care. Their commitment to quality and innovation shines through in every product, including this one. Plus, with natural seeds and a focus on sustainability, Scott's Pursue Dichondra aligns with eco-friendly practices, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. As we wrap up today's review, it's clear that Scott's Pursue Dichondra with natural seed stands out as one of the best choices for transforming your lawn into a low-maintenance, green oasis. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this product offers simplicity and stunning results. If you're ready to take your lawn to the next level, check out the link in the description below to find out more about Scott's Pursue Dichondra and where you can get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!